Simon, second guitarist with Sound and Vision.
How did you get involved with the band?
So I was friends with the keyboard player beforehand from previous bands, Colin, and he gave me a text saying that they were looking for a good guitarist and asked me if I knew anybody, so I said no. Yeah, I came down, did the audition, boys liked what I did, and it went from there.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Books or films?
Films.
Netflix or YouTube?
I like both, but I'll probably go with YouTube.
PC or Mac?
At the moment, PC.
Wine or beer?
Well, both. It depends on the situation, I guess, but I'd probably say beer.
Fruit or veg?
Veg.
Chocolate or crisps?
Chocolate.
Cat or dog?
Cat.
Adventurous or cautious?
Bit of both, but I'd probably have to go cautious.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Save or spend?
Again, a bit of both. I would probably go with save.
Call or text?
Text.
Favourite band?
It's too many to mention, really, but I'll go with Status Quo.
First album you bought?
Pile Driver by Status Quo.
First live concert you attended?
I can't remember how old I was very young, but it would have been The Shadows at St David's Hall in Cardiff.
How many instruments can you play?
Guitar, bit of bass, bit of keyboard, piano, drums. Just got it, right?
Fender or Gibson?
Fender or Gibson? Fender. What does Michael Jackson like to do on holiday?